another video. As you can see in the title below, I will be dropping some gems today. I will be showing you how to make a DIY body scrub and to also, make it look expensive. But before we get into this video, remember to subscribe to my channel. Also, like, comment, and share. You can also follow me on Instagram at Amoy Jodine. On Twitter, it's Rich Amoy, and on Facebook, Amoy Richards. So, without no further ado, baby, let's get right into this video. So basically, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY body scrub. We will be using 4 ingredients for our body scrub that we will be making today. So I'm just gonna list out those ingredients for you. The first one is salt, and the second one is essential oils. And my essential oils, I pre-mixed it already, guys. So it's olive oil, coconut oil, and glycerin. Now the third one is rose petals, and the fourth one is food dye, guys. So I think I'm using the pink food dye today, but you guys can choose between red or pink food dye to use. Please watch until the end because this video is so interesting. Like, you have salt in your kitchen and did not know that salt could be a top tier skincare product for your skin that could be laid up in your bathroom for when you're ready to bathe. Like, come on, you need to watch this till the end, guys, because I'm about to show you how to treat your skin like the affordable way. And all of these, especially for the food dye, they're so easy to source. You could use the organic rose petals or the dry rose petals, or you could use fresh rose petals. It's up to you guys. So stay tuned to this video. I'm about to show you how I get things done here on Rich TV. Drum roll!